5 minutes after 7. Holly?
All right, we do have breaking traffic news that we want to get you updated on right now. I just told you about this accident southbound in Delray. We reported that it was between Atlantic and Linton. At one point, 2 lanes were closed. Now FHP is telling us all southbound lanes are closed. Chopper 5 is en route to this accident. Not exactly sure what's going on at this point, but let's go ahead and send it up to Johan right now. Johan, you just got in the air. Tell us where you are.
Oh, currently right now, let me take you from the inside of Chopper 5, and good morning to everybody to the outside and show you where we are. We're basically in Lake Worth, but right now, taking that long range that we can give you that exclusive shot here up in Chopper 5, that is southbound 95 between Atlantic and it looks around between Linton and Atlantic. There's around the curve there. This is the Boynton Beach travel. It's looking right around Atlantic Avenue. You can see we do have some flashing lights and definitely slowdowns starting to progress here. You can see the slowdowns. That's Boynton Beach right there. So expect heavy delays so far for this morning drive. We will definitely be over it in our next hit here to give you a better update. But southbound 95 starting from Boynton, slow go, closed around Atlantic Avenue. That's how it looks up here in Chopper 5. I'm Johan Hoffman. Now let's throw it back to Roxanne.
And right now, city leaders in Tampa